Everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3350. I'm going to show you how to reset the network. I'm also going to show you how to restore factory default setting to reset the network. This printer is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you want to reset the network, you need to press this button, select number 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will show you number 10. Then you press this button to confirm it, and the Wi-Fi icon is now highlighting. It will show you the Wi-Fi icon and the two line will be highlighting. So now the network is reset. The printer is no longer connected to the network. So this is how to reset the network, and also the power on button will be highlighting. So the printer is no longer connected to the network. So if you want to connect it back, then you need to press this button to follow the instruction and reconnect the printer to a Wi-Fi network. So this is how to reset the network. You press the setup button to number 10, press color button or black button to confirm it for you to reset the network. Now I want to show you how to reset all settings. You need to select setup button to number 17. Number 17, once you see 17, then you select copy, color or black to confirm it. And it will disconnect the network. You can see the Wi-Fi is cancelled, and now the Wi-Fi is no longer available. It will show you 0 and A4, which is the size of the paper we loaded here. So this is how to reset all data. Then the next thing is you need to reconnect the printer to a wireless network for you to connect the printer again and start afresh to reconnect the printer to a wireless network. So this is how to reset all data. And if you look online, it will show you Canon TX3350 series offline. So from the laptop, it will show you Canon TS3350 series offline. So the printer is no longer connected to a network. So this is how to reset it. Thank you very much indeed.